What do you mean, bomb threat? Oh, flavour bomb. I get it now. Well, what about this? It's got tender chicken, lots of fresh herbs, and the Vietnamese noodle salad we're about to make is, guess what? Easy, budget-friendly, and it's dinner for the whole family, and they'll love it.
That's what we're
And
after.
it's a flavour bomb. Someone said bomb in my ear. I was like, what?
There's a bit of confusion here this morning. We're joined by Coles ambassador Courtney Roulston for Cooking with Coles to sort this all out. OK. I think we need a good marinade.
We need a good marinade, and look, this ticks so many boxes as well. Like the hot weather today, this is the perfect dinner for everybody at home. So chicken thighs, inexpensive. You can get these big bulk packs. I was saying there's enough for 2 meals. You've got one in your freezer ready to go, Nat.
Are they boned?
They're boneless and skinless.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
So what I'm doing this in the oven because it's just easy. You can whack it in and leave it for about 30, 40 minutes. So a packet of chicken thighs, and all I've done is just butterfly them open. So when you get the thighs, there's a bit of a thicker side here. Just trim it so that they're all about 1 centimetre thick, and they'll cook evenly. For the marinade, in here we've got a couple of tablespoons of fish sauce, some soy sauce, and some honey. So we've got salty and sweet. I've got some lemongrass. So that's just a fresh lemongrass stalk, and I've grated it on here.
Is that what you do with
Old
those?
school, yeah, everyone's got one of these
How
at
important
home.
is the balance?
It's all in the
Do you
balance
taste
with
as you
Asian
go,
food.
like add a bit more?
Not the marinade, like I think it's, you know, you want that kind
It's
of...
a no-brainer, that one.
Yeah, this is, follow the recipe and you can't go wrong.
Okay.
That was some garlic, and this
That's
is
my problem.
This is some ginger.
Follow the recipe.
And that is literally the marinade.
Can you smell that? That's delicious.
And then all you do,
Ah.
pour that all over the chicken in the tray so you've got less bowls to wash up.
Yum.
And then you whack that in the oven for about 35, 40 minutes. You can barbecue this, you can pan fry it,
Yep.
you can thread it onto skewers if you're trying to jazz things up for the kids. Shirva, you could put all of this mix in a food processor and make little chicken patties, just blend everything up.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So
can you?
35 minutes, perfect time to cut up all your veggies, your noodles
yeah, so
and all
look,
of that.
these are all really inexpensive things. We've just got some rice noodles we've rehydrated. Carrots we've made look fancy with a little toothed peeler.
Yeah.
But you could grate them. Some lettuce, you could use cabbage, whatever's on special that week. The dressing also. So in here we've got some fresh lime, could use lemon, a bit of vinegar, there is some more honey, some more fish sauce, and
Again, you can smell
and
it.
some
Such
chilli.
a fragrant
And some
flavour.
chilli. And literally, if your kids don't like chilli, you can leave that out.
Exactly.
Another tip with the chilli,
Yes.
if you want to actually put a whole chilli on your tray with the chicken and roast it whole, you've got a roast chilli sauce. So you can roast the whole chilli, take it off when it's cooked, mince it up, and you just get a bit of a deeper flavour with the chilli in there. Nat's been into this chicken
I
already.
actually already started.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the chicken looks so good.
And then
doesn't
it comes out like this. So it's got
Really
that
nice.
little bit of stickiness, fresh and fragrant.
lime around there.
Oh, there we... Hey, hey,
Good to see you.
See,
Oh, is that chicken?
this is chicken.
All right,
The
you just-
Vietnamese. I'm not
Oh,
gonna,
that looks
I'll just,
great.
Should we just... I don't have a...
No, that's. I've got fingers.
there we
Thanks
go.
very much.
For you,
Don't worry about that.
That's the uncooked one. But yeah,
Oh, my goodness.
That's so easy. You could get that
Beautiful.
in a cafe. They'd charge you like $20-something.
yeah,
Yeah.
this is a really good, like a,
So fresh,
a fake away,
healthy, nice.
one.
Yeah.
Was I wrong? Flavour bomb.
It is a flavour bomb.
So nice.
I was just worried about the word bomb, but it is fantastic.
I think we've said it
That's
too many
really
times.
delicious. And so use thighs, not breast.
You can use breast if you want. You could use chicken legs. If you're veggie, you could use tofu or some big mushrooms. It's really, it's really versatile. It's just that the chicken thighs they're at a great price, and you can get a big pack and do a big batch and have leftovers.
Cool.
Or if they're your sons, Nat, you said they'd eat the whole pack.
have, yeah,
So,
we'd have.
Take the guesswork out of it. Use the recipe. It's on the website.
It's
That's all you've got to
amazing
do.
idea.
Jump
Who would've
on to the Cooking with Coles section and you can find all of this right there just for you.